Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your laptop to any Wi-Fi router regardless of the manufacturer and the model. First you need to do is you need to make sure that your router is up and running and you have the stable internet connection. Then face the back panel of your router and what you can see here. Here you have on each router you always have one internet input and one or more Ethernet outputs. If there are no speed labels next to the outputs, they are all the same and you can use any. And if there are speed labels, you can use the fastest if you wish so. Of course you wish. So you need the Ethernet cable. Plug in one end to the Ethernet port on your router. And the other end you need to input into the Ethernet port on your laptop. If you don't have an Ethernet port, you need to use USB to Ethernet adapter. So plug in until you hear a click, and now what can we see on your laptop screen? Let me show you. So guys, I'm running Windows and generally it works in the same way on Mac, but with different path to settings I want to show you. So here was the Wi-Fi icon right on the taskbar on the right side. Now it's replaced with the wired connection icon. If you click on this icon you see the normal quick connection menu. Pay attention that now my Wi-Fi is disabled, and let me try connect to access any website. Let's say Amazon.com. As you can see, my connection is up and running, and now let me show you how to get the information about your connection. You need to make your way to network settings. On Windows, open Control Panel. On Mac, it was something like network settings or something else. Network and internet, what you need here, view network status and tasks. Once again, search for the settings on Mac if you run in Mac, and here click on the Ethernet word. Ethernet means you have a wired connection, not a Wi-Fi. Now, by the way, this is your network name, and let the Wi-Fi words not confuse you, because this is just a network name, not the connection type. Connection type is here, and this is Ethernet. In this menu you can click on details and get your connection details. The most important for now is the default gateway, because using this gateway you can enter your router's settings, and you may need this if you have Wi-Fi connection problems. You can use the default gateway to access the settings using wired connection. Wait for a while. So of course your router may have a different gateway, but anyways you can find this gateway in this menu. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye guys.